a great choice today with the 2018 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, navigation system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.